We sanitised it when it first came in this morning before we touched the car. So now we're using an antiviral wipe to wipe over all the components that we've touched in the front of the car, including the exterior door handles, and then we move on to the nebulizer. So, gear stick, handbrake, all the controls, rear view mirror. So this product is an antiviral. We're going to leave it with the air conditioning off because we don't want the air conditioner to drag it out. We're going to shut the doors now and the windows, and we're going to leave it for 10 minutes to fill the car full of nebulized sanitizer. So the very last thing we do when we finish nebulizing the car, final wipe of the door handle, key will be sanitized, placed into a wipe left on reception desk, and the car won't be touched from here on in. The next person to touch the car will be the customer.